Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, I got to get this together. Anyway, today I'm going to do a question and answer on questions that I've been getting about intermittent fasting. And if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire, and we're just going to jump right on into it. I've got some questions that I've been receiving on intermittent fasting, and I'm going to go over that with you today. All right, first question, and I'm looking at my questions, so bear with me. What initially attracted you to intermittent fasting, and what benefits have you experienced as a result? So I'm not going to lie. Initially, I was attracted to intermittent fasting because of the weight loss benefits, initially. And it has an amazing weight loss benefit. However, once you get past that, once you realize all of the other benefits, it's a win-win. It's amazing. So what benefits have I experienced as a result of intermittent fasting? Well, of course, I maintain my weight. I have tons of energy. I have excellent mental clarity. I experience less inflammation and body pain, joint pain, things like that. There are so many benefits. I'm sure some of the other questions will get me to that, but there are so many other benefits. All right, next question. Maybe I'll make this a part 1 and a part 2. We'll see. All right. How do you balance intermittent fasting with your daily routine and responsibilities? Well, because I've been doing it so long. First of all, when I first started, it was a little bit difficult to balance it, because my family members were not on the same schedule, or my social life wasn't on the same schedule. But now, because I only eat 1 meal a day and I know my schedule, I will schedule in my eating with whatever social stuff that I have going on. Or you guys, if in fact, I cannot do that for whatever reason, I just do what I want to do. Like, it's not like a noose around my neck or anything like that. I just do what I do. So if I know I'm going to have a social event, I will push my window around. I'll push my 1 meal a day around. Mainly, I eat around 2:30 in the day, and I go from there. But if I have something where I have a special occasion where I have to go to breakfast with someone, or have to do lunch with someone, or even dinner, I'll schedule around that, or I'll make it work. So I hope that answers the question. All right, the next question is, have you noticed any changes in your energy level or mental clarity since starting intermittent fasting? Yes, I have. My energy level is up, and my mental clarity is great. However, there are some times where I don't feel as clear and I don't have as much energy. And when I get those times, or I feel like I have some problems sleeping or anything like that, I will eat more. I will add more protein and more good fats to my diet. That does happen sometimes. It is rare that it happens, but it does happen if I didn't get enough calories in for the day. So that does happen. So that should answer that. All right, next question. How do you handle social situations or events that involve food while practicing intermittent fasting? When I first started intermittent fasting, that was a really hard thing to do. It really was, because people don't understand why you're not eating when they're eating. And sometimes it seems like you're being disrespectful or rude when you don't eat. So what I've learned to do, I've learned to actually tell people, "Oh, I'm fasting. I'm not gonna eat right now." Or I've learned to just drink water, have some club soda with lime, or drink water with lime or lemon or whatever, and still be social with my friends and still be social at an event, because it's for you. It's not for anyone else. Although people do tend to not understand, and they do get a little bit, I don't know, out of sorts a little bit. So that's how I've done it. And I just tell people I'm fasting. And most of the time, just when I say I'm fasting, I normally don't say I'm intermittent fasting. I just say I'm fasting. And normally when I say I'm fasting, people think what they want to think, and they associate it with some type of religious belief or whatever, and they kind of just let it go. So that's normally what I do. But most of my friends and most of my social circle knows that I do intermittent fasting. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this last question, and then I'm going to split this up because it's going to be too long. I'll do a part 1, part 2. And you'll see the rest of the questions on the next video. But this is the last question for this video. Are there any specific challenges or obstacles you've encountered while practicing intermittent fasting? And how have you overcome them? Any obstacles or challenges? Yeah. So obstacles, again, back to that social thing. Food is everywhere. Food is everywhere. And deciding that I'm going to not eat something for the benefit of me has been a little bit of a challenge, because food is everywhere, and that's that. But really, your mindset, if you decide for you that you are going to do something for you, something healthy for you, and I believe intermittent fasting is healthy for me. So if you decide that that's what it is for you, then decide that it's for you. But you will have the challenge of your loved ones who want you to be eating with them, your children who may want you to be eating with them all the time, snacking all the time, in front of a movie, eating popcorn and candy and drinking sodas and all of those things. Those things can be a little bit of a challenge, and you just have to decide to not, or decide how to fit that in to your schedule. So that's pretty much all, y'all. I'm just going to say that I do have more questions. I will do a part 2. I absolutely love intermittent fasting. And in my next video, I'll tell you a little bit more about the schedules of intermittent fasting and how that can benefit you in the long run, especially if you're a female. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.